Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. All the activities whichever we are handling through Outlook, we are going to automate it by the help of VBA. How we are going to do that, we are going to discuss in this complete entire series. So today in this video, we are going to see how we are going to link Excel and Outlook with the help of VBA script. Let's start with the today's session. Open VBA, which is our previously saved file, and I'm going to open Visual Basic. And if you have any doubt how to enable this developer tab, we have uploaded videos related to the same in previous. You can go ahead and you can watch it in our channel. Just go to our Visual Basic editor and insert a module and give the subroutine name as create Outlook automation. Okay, so this is my subject, and for each and every application which we are going to link along with Excel, there is no existing connection between these two applications because Excel is a different application and Outlook is a different application. So to link both in all together, we have a special plugin which is already inbuilt in our Excel. For that, you just need to go to tools and you can see references. We can get n number of references. You can just come down and you can see Microsoft Outlook 16.0 object library. Just enable this particular checkbox, click on OK, which means it automatically creates, it helps you to create a link between Excel application and the Outlook application. So this is the very most reference we need to enable to create a bridge between these two applications. Now we can go ahead and you can start writing the code for us. So I'm going to declare dim OL as Outlook dot application and declare OM as Outlook dot mail item. So we have already declared the Outlook application and the mail item. Now what I'm going to do is I have to set the object because we have declared the Outlook application and Outlook mail item. Now I need to give a value for those two variables. So I'm going to set OL is equal to new because I'm going to create a new application in Outlook. So new Outlook dot application. So automatically what will happen is it will create a new Outlook application. See, this particular line will help you to open the Outlook even though if it is in a closed manner. And now set OM is equal to where I want to create the mail item, I have to create from the Outlook application. So OL, which is our new Outlook application, dot create item. I am going to create an item which is my open a bracket. You can see lot of drop downs over here, but I'm going to select OL mail item and hit on the tab, close the bracket. Now we have declared the variables and we have set a fixed value for those two variables. Now I'm going to create a values for those two values. Okay, so first what I am going to do is I just want to see the Outlook mail which is over created, which is newly drafted email. So for that what I have to do is I'm just going to give OM is nothing but my mail item dot display. So what it will do is it automatically display my mail item, right? So to check this, I'm just creating a breakpoint over here by pressing the mouse pointer over here and I'm running the query, this particular code. You can see I don't have any Outlook application open here, but here you can see my Outlook is running behind. Now I am running it again. You can see my Outlook is already open and my particular new title message box, which is my untitled message, my new email is displaying over here. Now what I'm going to do is in the same mode you can do om dot to whom I'm going to do, I'm going to send it for my own email ID, which is our channel email ID trending technology bba at gmail.com. So this is my own email address. I'm going to do that. So to get to the previous line item, just right click and you can see set next statement. Our particular line will come over here plus F8. Our mail ID will be displayed over here. Again Outlook mail.to dot subject. So my subject is test, and I'm going to give body of the email is equal to this is the test email. Close the bracket, and to send om dot send to automatically send the email, or else what you can do is you can just give the display, but I mean display command over here. It automatically display our pop-up message over here. It won't send any email. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back and set next statement over here, and I'm running this step by step command. That particular mail is sent, my particular program is successfully executed. So now I'm going to do is I'm going to open my Outlook. You can see our mail is not sent, but still it is in outbox. Whatever the thing which we have created, which is our trending technology vb@gmail.com, our email ID and the subject line and the test email. So everything which we have programmed over here played over in this particular email. So this is how we are going to create a link between Outlook application with the help of VBA through Excel. Hope you have clearly understood this concept of linking the Outlook along with Excel VBA. If you have any queries in this video, please post your comments through our comment box. We will be happy to assist you in all the time. We'll meet you in the next exciting video of Outlook automation. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you and have a great day ahead.